Hi, Dr. Reema Zereh from iHeal Wellness Center, introducing Dr. Supervised Wellness Program. I have helped thousands of women ages 35 to 55 over 2 decades with variety of ailments. Do you have a nagging feeling something might be wrong with you? Are you frustrated? Of course you are frustrated. You are searching for answers in all the wrong places. Let's start here. Are you experiencing weight gain, weight loss, fatigue, tiredness, PCOS, fibroids, menstrual problems, thyroid issues, liver problems, high blood pressure, excess gas, bloating, gallbladder issues, chronic pain, diabetes, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, or fibromyalgia? If you said yes, then your health could be at serious risk. What is worse, if left untreated, it will manifest into much more serious problems such as auto-intoxication. The good news is I'm going to do everything I can to help you find answers. If I can't help you, I will make sure to direct you to someone who can. As a gift, I am offering you a free consultation at iHeal Wellness Center. You will be happy that you reached out. See you soon.